You know I used to date a girl named Darlene? Yeah, she was a fine ass. I'd like to smack that ass until I found out she was a dude. But I still did it anyway.
What the fuck are you talking about, man?
I don't fucking know. Hey, I got an idea. We could do something that night. Probably some fun. Right, because I'm in charge.
No, Mater. I gotta finish this road because I want to get the fuck out of here.
Alright then, you pussy punk bitch. Don't know how to learn the definition of fun anyway, but whoa, man. I'm Lightning McQueen, man.
Come on. How hard can it be, though? I am not doing this shit.
Come on, it could be fun if you think about it. Tractor tipping is hella fun, buddy.
No wonder you're a fucking southern bitch.
I'm gonna tip those tractors a little bit. Oh, by the way, watch out for Frank, though, too.
Who the fuck is Frank? Mater, who the hell is Frank? Mater!
Alright, McQueen, listen, can you sneak up to them? Make a loud ass sound until they popped and farted and farted. What? Sound out the night.
Oh shit! Oh.
Oh, that's hella funny. I love to see when they top off, man. It's hella fun when you do all that shit. It's really fun.
Yeah, really fun.
Oh, we'll watch this, McQueen.
To the soup!
Oh, oh, it's hell too funny, man. I want to see you try.
I don't even have a fucking horn, Mater.
Pussy punk bitch.
I'm not a damn pussy.
Pussy water.
Mater, shut up! I got it!
Damn.
Jesus, oh my God!
I'm just gonna go to sleep.
Yeah, me too. It's gonna be. Oh my God! That was actually good. What I thought it was.
Good, man.
What the fuck is that?
Oh shit, it's Frank.
Run!
Wait, what, Mater?
Fuck! Oh shit! Oh shit! Run!
What, Mater? What the fuck are you?
Oh shit!
Oh, this is so much fun.
Mater, I'm about to fucking die here.
He's gotta get you.
McQueen, you there? Come on! You gotta get out of here! Oh my God!
He's at my ass. Oh, he's gonna chew your booty hole. Come on.
Yeah, Mater.
I stole that ass before.
I'll never hang out with you because of that shit.
Well, fuck you, McQueen.